and it's all pretty much one length because I haven't done anything to it. So anyway, we're gonna cut a lot off. I wanted to cut length off, and I want layers. I'm just tired of my hair the way it is, so we're doing something drastic. My hair tangles so bad. That's one of the reasons we're cutting it. I have sectioned my hair off in the Mondo tutorial method. It's damp. I have not cut it since, I will make a note of it here, but it's been a long time. From the bottom of this ponytail right here to the bottom of my little straggly piece of hair down there is 16 inches. Let's measure this one. From the top of that bottom of that ponytail to the longest piece of hair is 21 inches. A lot of hair. And it's all pretty much one length because I haven't done anything to it. So anyway, we're gonna cut a lot off. I wanted to cut length off, and I want layers. I'm just tired of my hair the way it is, so we're doing something drastic. Going to pulling it out. How much do I want to cut off? I said down to my chin. I want to be able to still pull it up. Let's put this in a ponytail so I don't have to deal with a mess. Okay, so I'm going to cut it right above there. Coming out of it. You know, a little angle there. Let's see approximately how much hair that was. $14 inches approximately, maybe a little bit more. Okay, let's comb this out and see if we can make that straight. I watched enough Mondo tutorials to know that it doesn't need to, you don't need to point cut it because it's gonna even itself out. The hair is, let's see here, I just want to make sure there's nothing like obviously crazy. Are we even? When I watch this back, is there going to be, this side looks a little bit longer than the other side. Are you? Is that an imagination? You know what? We're just going to leave it. Okay, now. Okay, this is damp. Honestly, at the crown of my head, it's probably pretty dry right now, but I guess that doesn't really matter. My hair tangles so bad. That's one of the reasons we're cutting it. Okay. Nice and straight and smooth. My hair is pretty naturally wavy. Try to encourage that. I'm going to cut off 14. Where's 14 here? We'll cut off 14 and then we'll see if I want to cut any more length off. Where's 14? I need to go from the bottom, don't I? Where's 14 at? I'm looking at it upside down. There's 14 right there. Okay. Grab another hair tie. Okay. I don't color my hair, just FYI. There's absolutely no color in my hair. I'm graying naturally, but the back of my head grows in brown. So it's just, it does what it's gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this down a little tiny bit. Check our measurement. So if I go from here to there, is that 14? Yep, close enough for me. Okay, here we go. Is it even? That's the thing. Are we even? Yes, okay. Now I cannot see what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to stay on top of that rubber band so I do not get that angle thing that people end up doing, where it's half an inch taller on one side than it is on the other. That's pretty good. I mean, it's a little uneven, but oh my gosh, there's a lot of, I just cut a lot of hair off of the back of my head. Wow. Are you even at all? Just a little bit. I'm just going to, I can't see what I'm doing. I have a little helper down here and he needs help, so I might have to. What you need there, buddy? Hold on. That's good enough. Come here, bud. What you need? Oh, you got up there all by yourself. Good job. Okay. All right. Now I guess let's see if I'm gonna end up regretting this. Okay. Okay, that's usually what I do with my hair. I haven't worn it down in a long time. I'm going to get it wet and let it dry, and then I'll show you the result. Okay, it's not completely dry, but I think you can get a better idea of what I'm dealing with. Okay, so I'm just going to shake my head. Okay. So, definitely got some front pieces that are very short. I haven't looked at the back. I have no idea what's going on back there. You like it? Is it okay? We'll see. So, we'll see. I might watch this video back and see. It might have made the ends way too wispy. I might have to bring the bottom up some more just because my hair is very fine and thin, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. Stay tuned. Oh, and just for, yeah, that's what I cut off. It's about 14 inches. Yeah. I've never had long hair before. Never had long hair before. And when I got my grandchildren, my 7-year-old, my 5-year-old, my 1-year-old. When the 5-year-old came along, I decided to just let my hair grow because I was wearing it up all the time. Can I still wear this up? Yes, okay. When I'm wearing it up all the time, what's the point? Just let it grow. I've never had long hair. I never thought I could get it beyond right about here. And so I just let it grow. I didn't do anything with it. I just let it grow. And so I was starting to get, the ends were kind of getting really bad. So I just decided I needed to change. I needed something. So we'll see what happens. I'm tempted to just say, I like how this is looking right now. Right here, I'm tempted to just lob it off right about there in the back, but we'll see. Okay, so I have looked at the video of me cutting my hair, and I think it looks pretty good from what I can tell. The only thing is that my hair is very fine and thin, and what has happened is it accentuated that in the back, especially. Oh, sure, I'll help you. Sure. Give me just a second. What do we got going on here? What is this? There you go. Not quite sure because this shirt is a little bit busy, how well you can see it. See if that makes it any easier to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take off some of the end, and one of the videos that I saw to make it instead of more of a V shape, I remember Brad saying that doing the butterfly cut was going to end up in a V shape, but if you bring all of the hair, separate it and bring it forward, he did not say to do this. I saw this. I'm going to take this towel off. I saw people do this who wanted to get a rounded cut. They bring that back hair forward and put it in like a beard. It's called the beard cut, from what I can tell. Yeah? What are they doing? Okay, so the goal here is to bring up the bottom so it's not so wispy. So you for sure want to get this off. So I'm just going to bring this up to probably right about here. See if I can make it more of a U shape instead of a V shape. It's thicker right there. It gets thin right there, so I'm just gonna cut straight across. No, I don't think that was straight. Cut off at least 2 inches of that, the very tip, but let's see if we can get this straight. I think I will cut this a little bit just because I can tell that it's not even. Somebody said you don't appreciate your hairdresser till you try to cut your own hair. I agree. I'm just gonna just a little. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna worry about point cutting it. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Let's see if we can actually see what we got going on here. Did that do what I wanted it to do? Oh, it is what it is. It's going to stay that way. It may be another 2 years before I cut it again, because that's how long it's been since I cut it. Last time I did the pigtails method, and that did not really do any layers. And I knew I wanted to have some layers going on in my hair, which I definitely have now. So some of my hair gets pretty wavy and some of it just doesn't. So there you go. It is what it is. It's just hair, it'll grow.